Good morning, children. Hope all are doing fine. Are you all doing your homework? I know you all are good children and doing your homework. Okay? Now, here is a saying: all work, no play makes Jack dull. So, writing the homework, you are feeling bored. Aren't you all? So here I am to make you energetic by telling you a story. You all love stories? Yes, I know. At home, your grandparents, parents, or someone will be telling you stories. Don't you listen to the stories? Yes, you love stories. So here, today's class, we are going to learn a story about a fox and the crow. Have you seen the fox? Fox is a wild animal and it lives in forest. So, fox, this is the fox. The fox lives in forest. You can see the fox in a zoo also. Okay. This fox, what the fox do? Fox is a cunning animal. Fox is a clever animal. So, one day this fox was feeling very hungry. Fox, when you feel hungry, what do? You go to mommy. Mommy, give me something. I am feeling hungry. But here the fox has to search for the food. It was searching food here, there, everywhere. So suddenly it saw a crow sitting on a tree. The fox searching for the food and saw a crow sitting on a tree with a piece of cheese. So you have seen crow. Crow is black in color and it's a common bird, and it is out of your house. When you go, you can see so many crows. Okay, so this crow, here our crow is having a piece of cheese. And what the fox did? The fox wanted to eat that cheese. But will the crow give the fox the cheese? No, crow will not give. So what the fox, a cunning fox, what the fox say? Oh crow, what a beautiful bird you are. The fox will tell, you are a beautiful bird and you have a sweet voice too, very good voice too. Will you sing a song for me? But the crow felt very proud. Crow thought, really the fox is appreciating me. I can sing a song. Okay, so the crow started singing cow. What happens? The piece of cheese fell down. The fox ate it up and ran away, laughing to himself. Ha, ha, ha. The foolish bird could not eat the cheese. So the moral of the story is, foolish pride always has a fall. Now, Miss will tell the story from your textbook. Do you have the rhymes book? Okay, in this rhyme book, towards the last page, you have to take the last page of the rhyme book. Here the story number 1, 3. 1 is little bigger. So we are not going to learn this story. First we will learn a small story, a simple story. See, very small. Story number 3. Number of the story is 3. The fox and the crow. See, very small story. You can learn it very soon and very simple, very easy to learn. Okay, children? So, Miss will tell the story once again. Okay? Ready? One day, a fox was very hungry. It went in search of food here and there. At last, he saw a crow sitting on a tree with a piece of cheese in its beak. So what the fox said, I must trick this bird and get the cheese. And the fox said, what a beautiful bird you are. And you have a very sweet voice too, very good voice too. Will you sing a song for me? The crow felt very proud of himself. It started singing cow. As it opened its beak, what happened? The piece of cheese fell down. The fox sitting down took the piece of cheese, ate it up and ran away laughing to himself. Ha 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 ha. The moral, foolish pride always has a fall. So, learn the story. You learn only first line today. Okay children? Only first line. One day, a hungry fox, only one line you learn. Don't learn fully. Today, only the first line. Okay children? Tell your mummy to teach you at home first line. Tomorrow you can learn the second line and the third line. Okay? So today what you have to learn? One day, a hungry fox saw a crow sitting on a tree with a piece of cheese in its beak. Only that much. Okay children? One day, a hungry fox saw a crow sitting on a tree with a piece of cheese in its beak. Only that much. Okay? Only one line. Tomorrow you can learn the second line and try to complete all the homework. Okay children? And please buy the textbook, those who have not bought all the textbook. Okay? Come to school, tell your daddy to come and get all the textbook. Okay, bye-bye children. See you tomorrow.